Welcome to Foundations of Visualization. I'm Dr. Danielle Albers-Safer. I'm an assistant professor of computer science and an Atlas Fellow at the University of Colorado Boulder. And I work in the area of data visualization. My work in this space develops systems, models, and techniques for effectively visualizing data. In the context of this course, I'm going to teach you how we can design effective data visualizations for exploring and communicating data. This course will cover a range of critical knowledge for developing your own visualization toolkit, starting with the basic terminology of how people think about and design visualizations, all the way to how do we understand if our visualization is actually any good? Does it tell us the kinds of information that we really need to know about our data? Along the way, we're going to work on a series of activities, discussions, quizzes, and design projects to help put a lot of the knowledge that we're developing in the context of our video lectures and readings into practice. The course will be broken down into 3 modules covering the basics of design, user needs, and evaluation. So this first module is really going to focus on what are the fundamental components and ground rules for creating effective visualization. Everything from establishing a common terminology that we'll use throughout the course to understanding how do we choose between and create different designs to represent our data. The second module is really going to cover the more human side of data representation. This is going to be how do we know what our users need and then turn around and design for those needs. So this is going to take us from the idea of problem construction and project management all the way over to the basic ideas of perception and cognition. How do we understand what people actually see when they look at a visualization? And our third module is going to explore evaluation, the basic idea of how do we know if our visualization is any good? Our investigations in this area are going to range anywhere from insight-based and use case-based evaluation, where we use qualitative techniques to measure the utility of our approach, all the way to formal experimental methods for quantifying what people actually see when they look at our designs. Each of these modules will be divided into 4 to 5 units, with each unit containing 2 to 3 video lectures covering the foundational topics, 1 to 2 readings that will supplement the materials that are discussed in these lectures, and occasional sets of hands-on activities that will give you a chance to build and test your knowledge of what you're learning and covering in the course. Basically, to give you some design practice and some practice putting a lot of these ideas and principles into reality. I'm looking forward to working with you all in the context of this course. Please do take advantage of the discussion boards and the other functions and features offered by Coursera to really make the most of your time with this topic.